Sunday, everybody!
Hello and happy Mother's Day!
I hope you guys are having a fantastic day.
Big happy Mother's Day to my mummy, and a big happy Mother's Day to his mummy, and a big happy Mother's Day to everybody's mums and guardians and all the mums as well that can't be with us.
Yes, so hope you guys are having a fantastic day. It is P.O. Box opening day. You guys have been sending us loads of letters, a couple packages as well.
Some shiny ones.
Shiny packages, which is very nice. Thank you to everyone who sent us stuff. If you want to send us anything, in the description is our PO Box address, also here. Send us letters, cards, so we know where you're from, so we can have a chat with you guys. It's absolutely awesome.
And before we start as well, we want to say a massive thank you so much, because we hit 17,000 subscribers.
We did.
We still can't believe it. You guys mean the world to us. You guys are like the best, the most funniest, the most beautiful community ever.
Yes.
And it continues to grow, and yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for everybody who has liked, shared, commented, everything.
We love you guys, and it's amazing.
And if you've not already, join the community. Click that red button down below.
Yes. Also hit that notification bell to be notified of our future videos as well. But let's get started with these letters. We've got a couple letters.
Let's go to it.
So the first letter we got here, it says on the back it's from Fleet.
Oh.
It's not too far from us.
Oh yeah, I have a friend that lives in Fleet.
Yes. We've got a postcard.
Oh, Fantasyland.
Fantasyland. That looks really cool.
That reminds me of Camelot. Do you remember Camelot?
Camelot.
Let's
have it. So it says, hello, this card will serve as a good reminder as to why we love Disney so much. After seeing your Feb Q&A, I enclosed a set of Sorcerers of the Magic Kingdom cards for you to take and play, or collect as I do next time you're in the Magic Kingdom. Love the videos, keep up the good work, from Gav and Sophie.
Thank you so much.
And it's another UK bunny couple. Thank you very much, that's really kind of you. And inside, they sent us a load
oh my goodness, thank you so much.
We've got a load of, let's just put this down, got a load of different cards here. You've got like Aurora's Rose Petal.
That's so cool.
Really...
During February's Q&A, someone asked us, have you ever played this game at the Magic Kingdom? And we said, we've never really done it. We've never really like given it some time. And we were like, next time we might actually do that.
Yeah.
And thank you so much. That's really kind of you.
One of my favourite ones is Merlin's Fireball. Fantastic.
We will definitely give them a go when we're there next.
For sure. So thank you very much for the letter and the cards.
Okay, we have a letter that says, Dear Steffi and Dave, I found your channel through Ellie Steadman. I love your Disneyland Paris and Walt Disney World videos. Thank you so much. I've been to Disneyland Paris 8 times and Walt Disney World 6 times. I am going to Walt Disney World again this April on the 19th of April to the 3rd of May.
Awesome.
Have the best time ever. I'm hoping you're coming back to Walt Disney World and hoping to see you at Walt Disney World. Thank you for reading my letter. Lots of love from Emma. Thank you so much, Emma, and have like the best time at Walt Disney World. We are returning back. We can't actually confirm anything yet.
No, not yet.
Because we need to pay it off.
Yes.
We like to actually pay everything off, so we're 100% confirmed with what we're actually doing and when we're actually going.
Exactly.
Because there's been so many times when we've booked something provisionally and we've had to change the dates. So we want to be 100% confirmed to give it to you.
Yes, exactly. So thank you very much for the letter, Emma.
Thank you so much.
Awesome. It's
a red envelope.
It's a red envelope. This looks awesome. Oh, the cards. It's a Valentine's Day card. Okay, I'm going for the card.
Happy Valentine's Day.
It's with all my love on Valentine's Day.
What's in it?
I don't know what's in it.
What's in it?
Oh, we got some love hearts. To Steffi and Dave, say hi to the bunny rabbits. Lots of love, Liam. Thank you very much, Liam. And he also did a really cool picture on the side, and it's got Disney Fun. There's a picture of me, Steffi, and then Mickey Mouse on the top.
Thank you so much. And it came with a letter as well.
It did come with a letter.
Saying, we just want to say thank you so much for your vlogs. I don't know if you remember, but you kindly sent Liam a letter saying how brave he was after we told us about our burglary. Oh my goodness, yes, I remember. Yes. I remember as well when Liam met Ellie and Ellie did a FaceTime.
Yes, it was
and
like
sent us a video saying that you were having the best time ever.
Yeah, it's also saying that Liam, obviously he told Mickey that he'd been waiting for a long time to meet him as well. He also taught Gaston his own handshake and told Gaston that his mum Dawn fancies him.
Oh.
So that's quite cute. A Dance with Pluto was truly life-changing holiday. Our next trip is now booked.
Yeah.
One of the highlights was meeting Ellie. I have to say as well, Steffi, that you have really inspired me with the Fit for Florida vlogs. Your dedication, hard work has really paid off, and you should be really proud of yourself. Thank you once again for giving me the courage to book mine and Liam's first Disney trip together from Dawn.
Thank you so much, Don. Yeah. This is a lovely letter, and thank you, Liam, for the card as well. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day indeed, yes.
Oh, we've got a UPS box. Now, remember during Vlogmas when we was having a really fun time with anyone who posted a box internationally was getting refused, you know, to our PO box. Yeah. Somehow these small boxes are getting through just fine. I think if it's a small package, it seems to be travelled via the Royal Mail, and if it's a bigger package, it's done by
like Parcel Force
or something like that, so which can't deliver to PO boxes. Just letting you all know. Yeah.
It's just weird, isn't it? There's some cards in here.
Ooh.
Oh, it says Happy Birthday, Steffi.
Oh, it's got a Disney sticker on the back.
Yeah, and Happy Birthday, Dave.
Oh.
And then there's a box in here as well.
Oh,
there's something.
These are birthday presents.
These are birthday presents.
Now, our birthdays are next month.
Yeah.
So, I reckon, shall we save these for next month's PO box?
Yeah, I think we'll save these.
Who is it from? Does it say on the box?
It's from Valerie. Valerie's from Indiana.
Oh, cool.
Thank you very much, Valerie. We will save these for our birthdays.
Yes. So we'll just let you know that we have received it.
Yes.
I'm very excited to open it next
So we'll open it for our birthdays. We've got another box. Big white box. I don't know where it's from.
Shall I hold that?
You hold that.
I'll hold the box.
This. So it says, Dear Steffi and Dave, we started watching your vlogs when we were planning our first Walt Disney World trip. Now we are planning our third trip and we are still watching. Thank you for all your tips and tricks and for the Disney fix when we are not in Florida. I started my Etsy shop after I got home from our first Walt Disney World trip. I needed a way to beat the Disney blues. I've made you a few little Disney pick-me-ups. I hope that you like them. From Nikki.
That's perfect.
Also, it's from Nikki and Simon is from the first part of this letter, and then the Etsy bit is from Nikki because it's Nikki's store.
So Nikki's store is a UK-based Disney-inspired crafts. My Ears and Whiskers, it's called. So
what we'll do is we'll leave the Etsy store in the link in the description, and also her Twitter and Instagram as well for you guys to check out. But it's called My Ears and Whiskers. Thank you very much.
Got a little package here. Oh, I'm quite liking these little, what do you call them? They're not little polystyrene things anymore. Like package peanuts, but they're shaped like stars. I'm easily entertained over packaging.
This is awesome.
This is amazing. So we've got two little packages. Let's have a look at these.
Oh my god, this is amazing. So I'm going to show you. It's a Simba. It's a Simba bow. Like a little Simba bow you could kind of clip on into your hair.
Hold on, I'm gonna.
There you go, Simba bow with Timon and Pumbaa as well on there as well. So it's all of them.
Love it. And then this one is. Ooh, gosh, the little handmade ornaments.
Yeah, the little handmade ones.
Little hearts. So I've got a Timon, Pumbaa, and Simba.
Yeah.
And a Simba and Noah.
How cute is that?
Ooh,
they're very nice.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you so much, Nikki.
I'm going to stick these up in the office for sure.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah. And then the next one is... Oh, hold on. I have to take this out. Ready for it? Ah! It's a donut! Disney ears!
Donut Disney ears is amazing. But a bow is really nice on the side as well.
Amazing. I'm just going to go like this.
It's like the Paris trip when we had just a
It's amazing. It feels really, really comfy.
I just love the bow on the side. It's really cool. It's so different.
Cute. Thank you so much for the ears.
Yeah, that's awesome, Nikki.
Beautiful.
Thank you so much. Thank you very, very much.
And once again, the Etsy store is My Ears and Whiskers. So thank you so much. These are amazing.
They're awesome.
I like them.
You're going to keep them on now?
Yeah, I'm going to keep them on.
Well, last package we got is a shiny
one.
Before we keep the shiny one to last.
Shiny!
Ooh!
What is it? Oh, hello.
A little beast.
Hello, little beast.
A little beast.
It's a itsy bitsy Beauty and the Beast.
Obviously, one beast has to come with a bear.
A little
bell. And then, how cute are these? And then these two as well come with it as well.
Oh my word, that's amazing. A Lady and the Tramp.
Lady and the Tramp. So these are called, yeah, Itty Bitties.
Itty Bitties.
And a little
Hallmark.
I don't know, there's no letter in here though.
There's no Hallmark?
No one sent a letter, so I don't know who sent these. Thank you very much.
Maybe it was Hallmark.
Maybe.
So whoever works at Hallmark, thank you so much. I like these.
So cute.
Hello.
So yeah, that's all we got in today's PO box. Thank you to everyone who sent letters and the boxes. We really do appreciate it. And like we said, you don't have to send us a package. Just send us a letter from where you guys are from, so we know who are subscribed. For everybody who watches our video, that's really awesome. We want to say a massive thank you. If you do want to send us anything, link in the description is our PO box address. There is one here. It's probably quite hard for you to read because we're always in the way. But thank you very much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell for future videos. Again, like we said, hope you have a fantastic Sunday. Happy Mother's Day to everybody. And we shall see you on Tuesday for the next Disneyland Paris vlog.
Yay!
Take care now, guys.
Bye, guys.